Today I'm going to show you how to bass boost in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can make your audio sound deeper, fuller, and more powerful in just a few minutes. Whether you're editing a voiceover, a music clip, or audio attached to a video, this is a super quick effect that can instantly improve the sound of your project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project if you haven't already. The very first thing you need to do is import the media you want to work with. You can bring in a video file or just an audio file depending on what you're editing. To do that, click the Import option, choose your file, and then add it into CapCut. Once it appears in your media bin, drag it down into the timeline so you can start editing. Now, if your sound is attached to a video clip, you'll want to separate the audio first. This makes it much easier to apply the bass boost effect directly to the sound. To do that, right-click on the video clip in the timeline and select Extract Audio. CapCut will split the audio from the video and place it on its own track. Once that's done, you can work with the audio separately without affecting the video itself. After that, click directly on the audio clip in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. Once the audio is selected, look over to the panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, you should see an option called Voice Changer. Click on Voice Changer to open the voice filter settings. Inside the Voice Changer section, you'll see a list of different voice effects and filters. Your goal here is to find Bass Boost. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may need to scroll through the available filters or use the search area if one is available. Once you spot Bass Boost, click on it to apply the effect to your audio track. As soon as you apply it, CapCut will process the audio and you should immediately hear the difference when you preview it. The bass should sound richer and more pronounced, which can be especially useful for music clips, cinematic edits, gaming videos, or any content where you want the audio to feel heavier and more impactful. If the effect sounds too strong, you can always undo it and try again, or test it with different audio clips to see which one works best. Some recordings respond better to bass boosting than others, so it's a good idea to play back the clip a few times and make sure it sounds natural and clear. You don't want the bass to overpower the voice or create distortion, so always listen carefully before finalizing the edit. Once you're happy with how it sounds, you can continue editing your project as normal. Add your cuts, transitions, text, music, or any other effects you want, then export the finished video when you're ready. That's really all there is to it. So, just to recap, import your media into CapCut PC, extract the audio if needed, select the audio clip, open Voice Changer from the right side panel, and apply Bass Boost from the voice filters. In just a few clicks, you can give your audio a much deeper and more professional sound. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.